Hello guys, and welcome to this video on the redistribution of EIGRP to OSPF and vice versa. So let's start this lab. We'll do two ways of redistributing the routing protocols. We'll do a manual way and also via route map. So let us start. I have configured EIGRP between these links here and OSPF here. So let's see if I have neighborship, show IP OSPF neighbor. There, the router 3 is the neighbor here. And then show IP EIGRP neighbors. There. So we have a neighbor here also. Let's just show you the configuration. It's pretty basic. And there. This should not be here right now, actually. No. Shall run section OSPF. Alright, now they're ready, so let's start. So let's go to router, EIGRP 1, no auto summary, network. Yeah, we already added that, so let us do the redistribution now. Let's redistribute OSPF into EIGRP. So redistribute OSPF 1 metric, and here we have a long list of metric that we need to use for OSPF into EIGRP. So let's do the bandwidth. Let's just pick something here and delay. Just picking something here and enter. Alright, now let's verify on router 2 and see if it has added that to the routing table. Let's see. Show IP routes. Alright, so as we can see, we have two external routes. This means that they have been redistributed. But if we try to ping them, so if you just try to ping one of them, we get no response, and that is because we have to continue on to redistribute EIGRP into OSPF. So let's continue on router 1 with that. So router OSPF 1, and then we have redistribute EIGRP 1, and here we can, let's add subnets and metric type. Let's just pick one. Alright. So now when we ping from router 2 here, we should get a response. And there we have it. Also we can check the routing table of router 3 just so to show you guys how it looks like. Show IP route, and here we got it. Alright, so seems to be working. Now let's move on to the second method, which is route map. So let's remove the configuration that we just did. So let us do a no. Let's enter to EIGRP and no do shall run section OSPF, and let's enter into OSPF. No. Alright, let's see if it is still there. Yeah, it's gone. Show one begin OSPF. now redistribute. Okay. Alright, so now it looks better. It's empty here. So let's continue on to the route map. We have to create an access list, so let us allow traffic from here, from the 2 network, to enter into EIGRP or to be redistributed into it. So first we can just create a standard access list here and permit, let's permit the whole network here. So we'll add the wildcard mask here, and that's it. Let's go to route map. Let's call it from OSPF and permit 10 match IP address 1 set metric. Let's do the same as before. Alright, now we can verify. Actually I have to add it in the router EIGRP1, so redistribute OSPF1 and route map from OSPF there. Alright, now we should receive it on router 2. So let's go to router 2 and verify the routing table. Yes, so as you can see now I'm only getting the 2 network 192.168.2.0/24, and that is because in the access list here I have only that one defined. As you can see, one match, and it is an a deny statement after this, so meaning anything that is not included in this network will be denied. So we can actually let's add it later. Let's continue first with the next redistribution step, or the EIGRP to OSPF. So let's make another access list, IP access list 2 or standard 2, and permit 192.168.1.0 and there. Alright, so now let's do a route map from EIGRP permit 10, so match IP address 2 and set the metric type 2. Type 2. Alright. Now we add it to the router OSPF1. We distribute the EIGRP1 yeah, from the EIGRP route map from. So, alright, let's go to router 3, and there we go. There's the route, external type 2, and also you can see it is permitted here on router 1. Now the reason we're only getting this is because that's the only one we have added here on the access list. Show IP access list. So I can just add one more here. So let's permit, let us permit 2.2.2.2, and let's create that on router 2. see if I have the quad 2 network. Okay, let's create it. IP address 2.2.2.2.2 and there. Alright, now let's go to router 1. Show IP route. Show IP route. Alright. Oops, that was the wrong. You gotta go to router 3 and there. Alright. So now we can see we have the router 2 also. So these are included. So that is all for this part here. And see you in the next one. Bye guys.